Today, you will learn how to add a caption to an image in Word. After selecting the picture, go to the References tab at the top of the screen and click Insert Caption. The caption dialog box will appear. If you want to use Word's default label, like figure, you can leave it as it is. But if you want a custom label, click the New Label button, type the label you want, such as image, photo, or any name that fits your document, and then click OK. You'll return to the caption dialog where your new label is already selected. Now, type the descriptive text you want to appear after the label. For example, if your label is image, your caption could be Image 1 Company Logo. You can also choose whether the caption appears above or below the picture using the position option. Once everything looks good, click OK, and Word will automatically place the caption with your image. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.